rolling? Okay. So as we were talking about, we've got our G shape, this one, third finger. That's 6-2, 5-2, 5-2 with that little G string chirp in between, third string chirp. Now what we do is we leap up to the 12th fret. Little finger goes up to the 12th fret. On your guitar, that's the last fret of the body of the guitar there. All right? And then first finger is on the 10th fret. So you just count back 12, 11, 10 on the 5th string. And then this is when our finger picking starts. So together, out, in, thumb, in, out. That happens twice, so we're climbing. That happens 3 times. We don't really need to worry about how many times it happens. It's just a matter of getting familiar with that section, right? Then we're going 3rd fret as an open shape. Now remember before I talked about this open and closed shape. So this one we played with our 2nd and 4th finger. This is a closed shape because we don't have a fret in between. This is an open shape because there's this fret in between. So this exact same shape, we're now starting our ascending or our going up section by playing this open shape on the 3rd fret. We need to get a sticker for you to put on the 3rd fret. Okay. So we're there, 5-2, flicking out on the 3rd string. Then this move, right? So then you can practice that move where the 2nd finger goes onto the 4th fret, right? First finger comes away and makes the move onto the 1st string, and then we get this awkward kind of in-between shape. And we're just going to do the same thing on the 5th fret. And all we do is just 5-2 with the G, the 3rd string in between, flicking out on the 3rd. Shape, flick, shape, flick, shape, flick. Then from there, the 2nd finger creeps onto the dot, 7th fret. Little finger comes onto the 2nd string on the 8th fret. And now we start our famous finger picking again. So this is a closed shape, yeah? Just like this one was. Closed shape now. One finger picking pattern there. First finger takes over to make it an open shape on the 6th fret. We're only moving on the 5th string here. Only one change. That shape just drops exactly as it is. As an open shape, it just drops onto the dots, 5 and 7. Just flicking there, no finger picking. And then in between guy on the 4th. And then finger picking on the 3rd. So that's a lot of ways the most awkward move we do. We've come from here. That's easy, just dropping there. It's easy to drop that one. But then this is the one. So from here, we need the 2nd finger to take over on the 4th fret. Same string. Just remember we're sort of keeping that 5th string movement happening all the time. First finger though now is playing the 1st string here on the 3rd fret. So jumping back there and then resolving to there. So that might be a little move you really want to just practice by itself. You know, because it's very hard to coordinate that as you go. So, and just really get clear about what fret, you know, the frets are so helpful, right? It's like 5th fret, dot, in between. The virtue of it being an in between, guys, because it's in between the dots all the time. That shape only ever turns up in between the dots on the 5th string, right? Boom, boom, boom. So the whole going up and going down section now just slowly. Out on the 3rd, in between person. Just make sure on that in between guy you're picking 5 and 1. Then we make our closed shape on the 7th. Little finger comes onto the 2nd string, picking. Just changing to an open shape. Take that shape onto the dots. Flick out on the 3rd, in between guy on the 4th fret. And then picking on the 3rd fret. Okay? So what we've got all together now is this. Going up. Going down. And that's pretty much kind of half the song, you know, and all we're ever going to be doing in the next half is similar shapes but in different areas, you know. So good luck. I think you're going to get it. It's easy, right? You got it.
Yeah.
Cool, that's it.